Hold on, because we're not doing this. Oh my gosh, it got on my pants. I think I didn't like this foundation before because maybe it was like, well, let me just shut up because it might oxidize. Because I know I used to not like it because it looked too dark. Like it was too dark, even though that was like my color. Like I got matched that one, but I'm just saying like it looked too dark when I wore it. That's why I didn't like it, and it made me look greasy. But that could have been the amount that I put on, or maybe it's just the season. Like I don't know. So might be my new face. I'm mad that this is on my pants. I'm trying to be cool about it, but I actually have a whole attitude. I'm rolling on every season. Oh. Let me stop because I'm actually clockable right now. Ooh, I'm here. She's here. Okay, I'm gonna just stop talking now. I'll put some music on, let y'all enjoy how I get cute or whatever. Or I think I look cute. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You might think I look ugly. Whatever, I'm just saying. I'm just gonna play the music now. I'm just gonna play the music now. I never set my whole face. That's something new, but I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Gosh, do you guys ever get a tutorial when I don't mess up? No. Why am I even doing this? I don't know. Tingles. So sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, the lashes were a dub because the glue was a dub. So I'm gonna just. Oh, I ended up adding the little bronzer in my crease. You could use any brown. It's not that deep. Get it? Cause deep brown. Honestly, that wasn't a joke. I don't know what that was, but yeah, just put on some mascara. And then you're done. Oh, well, we're gonna do our hair, but yeah, then you're done. I think we're done. Lips is just like a clear, everybody knows this, dollar store, not dollar store, beauty supply, lipstick, lip gloss, and brown liner. That's it. I only use the brown, to make the color, but not really to line it, but this is how we stepping out, sis. Go and do my hair because I look a mess. So I need to get it together. I'll be right back. I'm about to go get my hair stuff and then we will do my hair. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my frontal and I'm just kidding. It's my hair. That was really stupid. I keep doing stupid things. You guys already know. This don't even look like a frontal. I hate when people gel their weave. Like, if you do it, I'm not clocking you, sis, but I'm judging you. I'm judging you a little bit. I'm not even gonna cap. Anyways, you're gonna take your favorite spritz spray. This is actually not even, this is my favorite because it smells good, but honestly, like, if you use too much of it, it will kind of flake. So you have to be careful. But you're gonna spray this, swoop it. Well, this doesn't have a middle part, but you can do it for your edges too. I'm just not gonna do these because they're already like, I'm just not gonna do it. Anyways, yeah, you're gonna spray it, swoop it, and then use your blow dryer to stay in place. So. And then you go up and hold it, and then you go down and hold it, and then you go up, you see it, and hold it. And you just do this all the way down. See? Oh yeah, now watch me work. I am. And then like it helps if you have like a brush or something. Like a brush though. This is like all gunky and stuff, so I'm not gonna show you that. But you get what I'm saying, like just a brush, not like a comb brush, that you can make sure that you got all of your, I like to leave this a little lifted like that. Okay, so that was the end of my get ready with me. I hope you like my hair and my simple glam just for Thanksgiving, or really you could do this anytime. I'm just saying because today is Thanksgiving. But yeah, let me know if you have tried the crimps with your flat iron or know a better way or anything. So yeah, just let me know. Also let me know if you like my new hair color. I really like it. It's very fall. And so yeah, I have on this sweater like I showed you guys in the beginning. It's like a it's cut at the top or whatever, and at the bottom, like it's cute like that. You gotta see the whole thing. And then I'm just wearing black jeans and black fur slides. So let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great holiday season and wonderful Thanksgiving. Eat good, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.